Hey guys, Noah here, and today I'm going to do a butterfly knife tutorial on how to do the Meet the Spy butterfly knife trick, which is a thumb rollover, which the spy does disguised as a scout in the Meet the Spy video. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, the way that you should do this trick is hold it like this, with like your finger right there, and then fling it on the back of your hand, let go, and then catch this part, and it'll go down like that. Fling it back up, and then to close it, go down, turn, and then go back down like that. So that's how you do this trick.